Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to supercharge your daily English conversations with 50 must-know phrases. These are the sentences you'll use all the time, from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. Ready? Let's dive in. First thing in the morning, you might say, I just woke up. I need some water. Then let me brush my teeth. If you're running behind, you'll probably shout, I am getting late. I need to hurry. When you're coordinating plans with friends, you'll ask, what time will you come? And let them know I am on my way. Once you arrive, a quick text like I reached safely is always a good idea. If you're a little behind, you can say, please wait for me. At work or with friends, you might need to say, I will call you, or I am in a meeting. Let's discuss this later. If something is tricky, don't be afraid to ask, I need help with this. Please explain again. Once you get it, you can say, I understand now. Expressing your opinion is key. You can say, I agree with you, or if you don't, I don't agree. But when making plans, that sounds good is a great positive response. If you need a moment, try I will think about it, or give me some time. When you're feeling tired, I am feeling sleepy. I need a break is perfect, and who doesn't love food? You'll often hear, let's grab some food. I am starving. Afterwards, I am full now. I enjoyed the meal. The food was tasty. If you're feeling cooped up, just say, I need fresh air. Let's go outside. Feeling a bit restless. I feel bored. Let's do something. But if you can't, you might have to say, I am busy today. When you're available, let people know, I am free now. What are you doing? For keeping in touch with loved ones, phrases like, I miss you, take care, and see you later are essential. You can also say, call me when free, I will message you, or let's meet soon. Finally, for general situations and offering support, remember these. I feel relaxed. Everything is fine. No problem, don't worry, I trust you. Keep going and stay safe. When you need to handle things, say, I will manage it. And when it's time to wrap things up, you can say, that's enough for today. Talk to you soon. Practice these phrases and you'll sound more natural in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons.